Hello friends, family, and welcome to the new people. In this video, I'm gonna be cleaning two pair of my shoes. One will be leather sandals, the other one will be canvas and synthetic leather dunks. Both of them has the same method for cleaning. I will be using Angelus Easy Cleaner that is suitable for leather suits, suede, canvas, vinyl and plastic, so it should work on both of those. And for that I already started with the dunks. They are clean and dry, stuffed with paper, which is recommended so that your shoes don't lose the shape. And the next step after the cleaning, for my leather sandals, I'm still waiting to get a leather dye that I ordered because I have them for more than 7 years and the color is faded, so it needs a little bit refresh. And when they will be dyed and dried after that, I will be using leather balsam to fix it all in. Hopefully they will look beautiful. And my sneakers, I decided to paint them because of the canvas parts. It's light and the dirt that gets inside into the creases is hard to clean, so I came up with idea that I could paint it darker. I would still love to keep the color palette from the sneakers because I love the baby blue and the lilac. That I will be using with acrylic paints mixed with GAC 900 golden heat set fabric painting medium that you mix with acrylic paints. It dilutes it, makes it more runny, bendable, and when you paint on the textiles, it soaks in better, and when it dries it doesn't crack or peels off, it stays inside, but you have to heat set it with iron. So I will be definitely doing that. And also I washed my shoelaces, those are ready, and I can start with painting my dunks today and cleaning the sandals. I'm finishing the second layer of the acrylic paint. I did two in the end because one was not ideal, so I added the second one. Then I will let the sneakers dry for about 2 hours. I will draw on the pattern that I want to paint, and in the meanwhile, when the sneakers will be drying, I will move on to cleaning my sandals. It's the next day, my base paint is dry, and now I'm gonna continue with drawing waves with my gel marker, white one, and then I will fill in those lines with my other colors and then let it dry. That should be it. It's the next day again. My paint is dry and now it's time for the most satisfying part of this revival, and that is peeling the masking tape. And then I will be setting the paint with my iron, and they are almost done. I will spray them with some water resistant spray, put on the laces, and my dunks will be ready for the next summer. Ta-da! I finally got my package from Germany, so I can continue with the sandals. I will unbox it and paint them. I ordered a leather cleaner basically, but I don't think that I will use it because I found the older one that I have and I clean my sandals with that, so this one will wait for some other project. But the main star of this package is the Angelus Leather Finisher in color orange. We'll see. Yeah, and a little tool that you can apply it on, so when you use a brush it might make it like a streaky, and when you use this fluffy ball on a metal stick it should get better coverage. As you can see, my shoes are done, revived, refreshed, refurbished. I don't know how to call it, but I'm kind of pleased with the result. I would like to start talking about the sandals first. What I did with them. I cleaned them, then I used special leather dye that perfectly soaked inside of the leather. I did 2 coats because it was in the instruction and I like to follow instructions. I did 2 coats of the dye, let it dry a little bit, and then I went on with leather balsam. And the shoes, the leather after the cleaning, it really was thirsty, I would say, because I brushed on 1 layer and it soaked it up. So I ended up doing like 3 layers of the wax, and now they are all beautiful, shiny, with nice kind of deep orange rust color, and I love it. I'm very happy because I was a little bit worried that I would ruin them, and I didn't, so I'm very excited about wearing them this summer. And for my dunks, I cleaned them as well. Then I taped the parts that I didn't want to paint with my masking tape, and with acrylic paint I paint these retro 70s waves, swirls. I painted them on the toe box and also on the sides. As you can see, each side is different. And that I had to heat set it with my iron. And the last step was to spray it with like water repellent spray for shoes so that they last longer. It also works for dirt, so they will be lasting beautiful for longer. One thing that I would like to talk about a little bit sustainability wise. My opinion is that if you buy leather products like shoes and accessories and take a good care of that set leather, it can last you a lifetime. I'm supporter, I believe in that. So that's the thing that I wanted to share with you. That is a option with the leather goods. If they looking a little bit tired, you don't have to throw them away. Please don't throw them away. Take care of your stuff. It's always better to prolong their life. I think it brings happiness to you that you are able to revive something. It brought so much joy to me. And also same as in the last video, you can keep the stuff that is already here away from the landfill as long as possible. You can find your local leather makers, shoemakers, reach out to them. I believe that is a good option. We have here in Prague amazing brand that they not even only make the leather goods, but they offer aftercare. So if you have like a belt or a purse from them, you can then, after years of wearing it, bring it back to them and they revive it. I think it's amazing idea, and it helps to make fashion and lifespan of products a little bit more circular, and I think it's worth it. So that's what I wanted to share with you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I did. I'm excited for wearing them finally after working on them for a few weeks. And if you like this video, please subscribe, like the video, maybe watch some older one. I finally have this is the 4th one, so you can watch back what I did before. And thank you again, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!